Kajingtung kam hapo Eastern West Khasi Hills kabala khot da District Selection Committee haka arpun retorek urampang arja arpusau kabala pentepat ba da member secretary na kabenta ki arp khandai ngut mat na kabenta ki pratli ki post ki balat ka kadau ba kajingya khon kadai ban long prau 4% na kabenta ki jaj ban riu Khasi Jaiñtia bat Garo bat ar 4% na kabenta ki unreserved category. Kani kajing khot ban thap kertai te ki kam ki balat ka long hadin nyau sngi ya ka bagala dan kajingata hiang dorba thau an ka jela halor kajing pen slam ka sarkar ban thung kam haki tanat haki khindiat snam ka bakhangla ki samlawat kam ka jela ki bala herta bat ka bala pen kulmaru ya ki officer na kajing pen trai kam ya ka roster system ban thung kam haki tanat sarkar paper kadai kamat ya tai kadai ka balawan ra dau ba ranek tan lung do tong kharu MLA ka UDP na makurwan mat haba juba be kani kajing ya tai la ban pen kan mau bo menteri rang ba ka jela kontrat kes sangma ulaang bagi deputy commissioner jogi district kini ban ya chakmat ban penlong ya ki interview thung kam ling ba ki district selection committee DSC bat kim don kam show ban pha shakatanat personal khnang ba ka rukom thung kam ha ki district kan kham kloi Nalor kata umentri rang ba uloong bagi chairman jongi DSC ki balongi deputy commissioner ki dei ban lum jing ken ki kam balat na ki tanat sarkar bat ki district bat ban thung kam kat kum ka bahak kulum prapo persen ye ki Khasi Jaiñtia bat Garo kini ki kam ki balat ki bala khot interview ki dei ka lower division assistant LDA khatwai tali ki post khandai tali ye ki Khasi Jaiñtia bat Garo but artli ye ki way ka gram sevak lightly ki post artli ye ki Khasi Jaiñtia bat Garo but ka way ye ki unreserved gram sevika ka way ka post ka tana ka banta ki way enforcement checker lightly ki post artli ye ki Khasi Jaiñtia bat Garo but ka way ye ki unreserved mandal ka way ka post na ka banta ki unreserved driver artli ki post ka way na ka banta Khasi Jaiñtia bat Garo but ka way ye ki unreserved enumerator ka way ka post ka batang ye ki unreserved but grade 4 nyotli ki post Southly yaki Khasi Jaiñtia bat Garo but lightly yaki unreserved. Ka Eastern West Khasi Hills kadai ka district ka badan artli ki constituency ka Mairang constituency ka bami khmat dau ba met ba lingdo na ka seng UDP but ka Mount Hat Raisan dau ba Shakler Wajri na ka seng HSPDP kumban supentep ka Eastern West Khasi Hills district kadai ka district ka badang supen kha house nam arja arpuai but hakadai ka por uba met ba ubolong MLA bamenta usong ha ka suki kum ulampang ka yeng dor ba thauan baru MLA barem jong ka seng UDP uba brolding nongsi ulong kumu menteri sarkar.
From now on, so the reservation roster for the district level post shall be approved by district level and by the district level chairman. And hence the papers will not have to come to personnel department. This decision has already been taken. And because of this decision now, I'm very sure that the recruitment process will be much faster. So the deputy commissioners are at liberty now, obviously following procedures, to go ahead with the recruitment process without taking the necessary approvals from the personnel department. And I'll just read out that particular para for everybody's knowledge. The DSCs have been instructed that for recruitments that are done by the district selection committee for posts at the district level, the appointing authority shall forward the reservation roster along with the list of vacancies category-wise to the deputy commissioner and chairman of the district selection committee, who shall compile the vacancy post-wise and advertise the post category-wise as per the reservation roster. For the purpose of this para, the appointing authority for the district level post will also include appointments made by directorates. Only in case of any doubt and clarification, the deputy commissioner may refer the matter to personnel department. Hence, sir, this decision has been taken, and hence I'm very sure that there should not be any issue in terms of the recruitment at the district selection level.